How to get a full face that looks and feels healthy and hydrated with CoverGirl's Skincare Infused Makeup. Apply the Simply Ageless 3-in-1 foundation, which is packed with hyaluronic complex and vitamin C. Blend into the skin to even out your skin tone and instantly reduce the appearance of fine lines. Apply the Triple Action Concealer using the Breakthrough Cooling Ceramic Wand to dot on the formula. Glide the ceramic wand back and forth against the skin like a facial roller to feel an instant cooling effect that depuffs while it brightens and conceals. Blend any remaining product with your finger or a sponge. The hydrating formula reduces the appearance of fine lines and even skin tone. Next up, apply the Lash Plumping Mascara, which works as a primer, serum, mascara in one to plump and volumize lashes. Use the curved wand to coat the lashes evenly, grabbing even the lashes that are hard to get to in the corners. Overdraw your lips with a lip flip liner to create a plumped up pout. The hydrating formula also keeps lips supple and smooth. Finish off the look with the Moisture Renew Cord Lipstick. Fill in your lips with pigment-packed color and moisture from the nourishing Skincare Infused Core. And that's it for the Skincare Infused look that feels amazing.